So in this problem, orifice meter, the diameter of the orifice, that is D0, is equal to 10 centimeter here. Okay, if you go to the cross section area, that is A0 is equal to pi by 4 into 10 to the power of 2. That is, when you calculate this 100 by 4, you'll be getting the value as 100 by 4, 25 into 3.8, you'll be getting the value as 78.4 centimeter square, 78.54 centimeter square. Similarly, the diameter of the pipe, which is you can take it as D1, that is equal to 20 centimeter. So you can see here that the orifice diameter is 0.5 times the diameter of the pipe here. So here the area A1 will be pi by 4, 20 square. So that is equal to, you'll be getting as 314.16 centimeter square. Okay, now the pressure is given over here, that is in the upstream and downstream, both the pressure. So upstream, the pressure, that is, if I consider this pipe here and here the orifice, and the upstream the pressure 0.1, and at 0.2, that is the downstream here, which is equal to 19.62 Newton per centimeter square. And in the downstream at the 0.2, here the orifice plate is there, and here we have the manometer at 0.2. The reading is 9.81 Newton per centimeter square. Okay, and coefficient of discharge will be 0.6. Okay, now let us find the pressure head. To find the pressure head, convert these things into Newton per meter square. So it will be 19.64 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per meter square, and this will be again 9.81 Newton, 10 to the power of 4 Newton per meter square. Okay, now P1 by rho g is equal to 19.62, sorry, it's not 64, it is 62 into 10 to the power of 4 divided by rho is 1000 into 9.81. So you'll be getting the value, calculating this, you'll be getting the value as 20 meters of water. Similarly, calculating pressure head at 0.2, so 9.81 into 10 to the power of 4 by 1000 into 9.81. So you'll be getting the value as 10 meter of water. Now H, we know the height, the pressure difference is nothing but P1 by rho g minus P2 by rho g. So that will be 20 minus 10. So you'll be getting the value as 10 meters. Okay, so 10 meters of water. So that will be equal to 1000 centimeter of water. So to calculate the discharge, the formula for discharge is Q is equal to CD into A0 A1 by root of A1 square minus A0 square into root of 2GH. So you'll be getting the value as 0.6 into 78.54 into 314.16 divided by 314.16 the whole square minus 78.54 the whole square into root of 2 into 981 into 1000. So calculating these values, the answer that you get here is 68 1213.28 centimeter cube per second. Dividing this by 1000, you will be getting as 68.21 liter per second. So this is a discharge.